guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food unboxing for the month of August. Eat, live, love. Alright, so the first item we have is by Perfect Granola, and it's a cherry vanilla walnut granola bar. That looks good. And it is gluten-free. I was recently told that I have a gluten sensitivity, even though I've never experienced side effects from it. So a lot of these are gluten-free in the regular box, so that's kind of nice. Next we have 180-degree snack skinny rice bar with almonds and blueberries, and this is only 70 calories per bar. Looks good too. Now I have had these before, but I'm not sure if I've had this flavor. This is Heavenly Ranch, and they're spikers, which are bite-sized crackers. 100-calorie pack. We have some more rice snacks. Skinny rice bites. This one is almond and cranberry. Bet that's good. I like when they put fruit in with the rice because it makes it real chewy. Love it. And we got a fruit to go. This is also gluten-free and vegan, and the flavor is apple wildberry. It's just a little fruit strip that the kids love. And some trail mix. This is cranberry trail mix. Nuts, cranberries, raisins, and seeds by Mr. Nature. And the last item are home-cooked salted Virginia peanuts. Single serving pack. I know I've had those before. Those are really good. So yeah, that is what I got in my snack box. They always send really good stuff. I've been subscribed for years and I love it. They also have bigger box options as well. So if you guys are interested, I will put all the information below in the description box on how you can join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.